your girl Bina, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be making a teepee for my garden. Okay, so here's how it all went down, y'all. So I found these metal rods in my garage, and I realized that was the only way I was going to be able to hammer anything into the ground. So then I took my wood sticks and I zip tied them to the metal rods. And yes, I did all this in a cute little black dress. So after many attempts of getting the teepee perfect and trying to get it aligned, I finally figured that thing out, y'all. So then I pulled it all together at the top and used some zip tie and some twine, and I just made it real sturdy and tight, y'all. And voila, here is my teepee. And I pulled over my garden net at the top, put a little hole in it so that it would stay secure. And now I have a garden net that goes all over my garden and will secure my crops from pests, from leaves, and from the frost. And I can open it and close it whenever I need to. So here's what I got growing in my garden. I got some watermelon, kale, radish, bell peppers and sweet peppers. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, share, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I have a new video. Bye. See you next time.